Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to make these really pretty, real easy to make wine bottle gift bags. So let's get started. You will need the following supplies. One piece of fabric that is 12 inches by 20 inches. Your ribbon should be 1/4 inch wide up to 1.5 inch wide, and you'll need 22 inches. If you want to make a bag that has a top border using 2 different fabrics for your bag, then cut the top 8 1/4 inch by 12 inch, and the bottom piece cut it 12 inch by 12 1/4 inches. And again, you will need one piece of ribbon that is 22 inches long. To make the bag with the border at the top, take your 2 pieces of fabric and bring them front sides together. This is the 12-inch wide width right here. Bring your 2 pieces together up here at the top and stitch 1/4 inch seam. Then press the seam on the back side, unfold and press it on top, and while you are pressing, you are pushing this seam towards the border fabric. Then fold this top edge of the border fabric over 1/4 inch and press. Then bring this piece down to where it covers the seam and then press it. Then stitch close to this edge all the way across. If you are using one piece of fabric for the bag, fold the top edge over 1/4 inch, then fold this down 4 inches from here to there, 4 inches, and then press again. Then stitch close to this edge all the way across. Fold your ribbon in half and pin it off to the side here. And I'm pinning it just below where this piece is folded over. And you would do the same thing on the other one. I have this ribbon pinned just below that piece of fabric there. Move your ribbon out of the way and fold this in half. Line up your edges. Place pins along this edge and this edge. Then you're going to stitch right along here 1/4 inch seam all the way down to this corner. Then leave your needle down through your fabric, turn your fabric, and continue stitching across here. Then do either a zigzag stitch or a sewing machine overlock stitch along this edge and down the side here. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to create a box shape at the end of the bag. So take a ruler and place your 1.5 inch line on your raw edge down here. And go ahead and draw a line straight across. Then turn it over and do the same thing on this side. So what we're shooting for is a little fold that looks like this. Okay, this is what your end result is to be. So I'm taking the bag and opening it up like this and putting this seam in the center. So you want to try to center this seam in there and do that all the way down. Then fold this like that and make sure it's even all the way across. So you wind up with 2 points like this. Now you can see the drawn line there on both sides. And there's the drawn line there. Go ahead and place pins to hold these points, then stitch straight across there, doing a straight stitch, and make sure you backstitch at each end. Trim some of the fabric off on each of the pointed corners. So place the 1/4 inch line on your ruler on your stitch line. Line that up and then trim it off. And do the same thing on the other corner. Place the 1/4 inch line on your stitch line and cut it off. And then, as you can see on this one, do a zigzag stitch on the raw edges on both pieces. Reach inside and then turn it front side out. And after you've turned it front side out and poked the corners out at the bottom, you can see your box-shaped bottom. If the ends of your ribbon unravel, then you can fold it over twice, like that, and then stitch across the end. Just stitch back and forth several times. Insert your bottle inside and then pull the ties around to the front and tie it into a bow. For other beginners sewing projects, check below the YouTube screen for other video links. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thanks for watching and happy sewing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, would you please click on the thumbs up button and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. And don't forget to click on the bell and enter your email address so you receive email notifications about my latest video. I'm Cheryl and this is Manny. See you next time and happy sewing!